Welcome to Enjoy Learning Computer Science. Hello everyone. This session is Python Revision Tour 1 Part 3, and in this video we'll be learning about operators in Python. Okay, so let's dive into the topic directly. Operators. Operators are nothing but these are also tokens, and it forces some action to take place. For example, if I'm typing A is equal to 100, any action takes place? No. So if I am giving 100 plus 20, so plus is an operator. So what happens? You are getting 120. So some action takes place. Operators or tokens that trigger some computation or action when applied to variables and other objects. You can see, for example, if I am writing A plus B. Okay, so here A and B are the operands, plus is the operator. Okay, plus is the operator, A and B are operands. So there are two types of operators. One is unary operators, binary operators. Unary operators operates on single operand. Binary operators operate on more than one operand, that is two operands. So unary operator, one operand, it requires one operate to operand. Binary operators requires two operands to operate. So let's see binary operators. The first one is arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent and float division. So let me explain. Addition means 5 plus 4, you will get 9, correct? So let me give an explanation for 6/3. So this is a division operator. You can see here 6/3, it is 2.0. You are getting the output in decimal. Okay, so this is your one second, let me increase it. Hope you are able to see. So 6/3. So this division operator will give you the output in floating point value. So you have to be very careful. So modulus operator will give you the remainder. When I am dividing 6 modulus 3, so what will be the remainder? It is 0. There is no remainder. When you divide 6 by 3, there is no remainder. Suppose I am giving 10 modulus 3, remainder is 1. If I am giving, so your output is an integer. But if I am giving 10.0 modulus 3, here it is a float, your output will be also in float. So you have to be very careful whether the output should be in float or integer. That is very important. Okay. Similarly, double asterisk. So double asterisk is exponentiation. 2 double asterisk 2, that is 2 to the power 2, 4. So if I am writing float division, the next one is, so 10 float division 3. Okay, so first we'll give 10/3. What is 10/3? It is 3.3333 something. So 10 float division 3 will give you the integer part of your answer. So this is float division. So arithmetic operators over. The next one is relational operators. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to. When you apply relational operators, your output will be neither true or false. Next one, logical operators, and or not. It is used to combine some expressions. Now we'll see the OR operator. So OR operator will evaluate to true if both the operands are both the operands are false, the output is false. If any one of the operand is true, your output will be true. Okay, so OR is like plus only, logical addition, right? So if any one of the operator is true, your output is true, otherwise it is false. Now you can see here 9 is equal to 9. Is 9 is equal to 9 true? Yes, it is equal. 6 equal to 10, it is not equal. So here you are getting true and here you are getting false. If any one of the input is true, your output will be true. So true or false is true only. Okay, the next one, 15 greater than 25. 15 greater than 25 is false because 15 is not greater than. 38 less than 10, is not, so it is false. False or false is false. When both the operands are false, your output will be false, otherwise it is true. Now, when the operands are numbers or strings or list, how you have to calculate? So many of you will get confused in these types of questions, right? So please carefully listen. In an expression x or y, if the first operand has truth value as false, then return the second operand. I'll explain with an example. So what is the first operand? 0. What is the truth value? 0. So the output will be the second value. Similarly, 0 or 4. So in an OR operator, if the first operand, look at the first operand. What is the truth value of 0? Anything which is 0 or 0.0 or empty list, empty tuple will be 0, right? This will be false. So the first truth value is false. So then the output will be the second value. Here you can see in the second case, 5. 5, the truth value is not false because 0 only the truth value is false. The truth value of 5 is true only. In this case, your output will be the first operand, which is 5. Now, hello or empty quotes. It will look at the first operand. It is true. So, it returns the first operand itself. Now, here you can see empty string. Empty string means the truth value is false. When the truth value of the first operand is false, it returns the second operand as the output. G is the answer. Here, first operand is false. It returns the second operand as the output. Then first operand is true. So, it returns the first operand as the output. Okay. This is how you have to calculate for OR operation. Now, AND operator evaluates to true if both the operands evaluate to true. Otherwise, it is false. So, when both are true, both the operands are true, your output will be true. Otherwise, it is false, right? Now, 8 is equal to 8, it is true. 9 is equal to 5, it is not equal to. Hence, it is false. True and false, it is false. Now, 26 greater than 78, is 26 greater than 78? No, it is false. 16 less than 11? No, it is not less than. So, it is false. False and false is false only, right? So, when you will evaluate to be true, when both the operands are true, the output will be true. Otherwise, it is false, right? Now, you can see 12 greater than 9. Yes, 12 is greater than 9. So, the output is true. 18 less than 67. Yes, 18 less than 67 is true. Okay, I changed the question. I'm sorry. This is true. This is also true. So, true and true is true. Okay. Now, when the operands or numbers or strings or list, when the operands or numbers or strings or list, if it is an AND operator, if the first operand has the truth value as false, it returns the first operand, opposite of OR. Okay. You can see here. So, what is the first operand? It is 0. Okay. It is false. It returns the first operand as the output. Here also, what is the first operand? 0. The truth value is false. Hence, it returns the first operand. 6. It is true. When the first operand's truth value is true, AND operator will return the second operand as the output. Here, it is true. So, it returns the second operand. Here, it is false. When the first operand's truth value is false, it returns the first operand itself. But in OR operator, when the first operand is false, it returns the second operand. Exact opposite of OR is AND. Now the NOT operator. NOT operator just reverses the truth value. It negates the truth value. If the truth value is true, the output will be false. If it is false, it is true. So, not 8. 8 is true. Okay, it is a non-zero value. Any non-zero value will be true. So, truth value of 8 is true. Not true is false. Now, 0. It is a 0 means truth value is false. Not false is true. Not -7. -7 is true. Anything other than 0 will be, the truth value will be true. Not true is false. 45 greater than 10 is 45 greater than 10? Yes, it is true. What is not true? False. 5 greater than 8? No, 5 is not greater than 8. So this is false. What is not false? True. So the not operator just negates the truth value of the expression. Now membership operators. We have in and not in. Membership operators returns true when an element is present in the sequence. For example, I can give 5 in 3, 4, 5, 8. Is the element 5 is present? Yes. So it returns true. Suppose I am giving 5 not in, it is false. Okay. So not in returns true if the element is not present in the sequence, otherwise it returns false. Identity operator is returns true. This identity operators returns true if both operands are pointing to the same memory location. Okay, otherwise it returns false. So is not opposite. If it is not pointing to the same memory location, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. You can see here A is equal to 20. B is equal to 20. What is memory address of A? It is this one. Memory address of B, also the same one. So A is B will become true. Okay. Now, X is equal to 100. Y is equal to 123. So memory address of X is different, Y is different. So X is Y will become false. X is not Y will become true because both are different memory location. So is returns true if both the operands are pointing to the same memory location or same object. Is not will return true if they are not pointing to the same memory address. Augmented assignment operators. Plus equal to. So when I write plus equal to, A plus equal to 1 means, so A equal to A plus 1. Okay. Now minus equal to B equal to B minus 5 and so on. We have asterisk equal to, slash equal to, float division equal to, exponentiation equal to, modulus equal to. But this augmented assignment operators will not hold for immutable types. It will be different. Okay, augmented assignment operators holds only for immutable types. If it is mutable, the output will be different. There will be change in the list itself. Okay. Now, truth values. So, any object can be tested for truth values. We studied about truth values, right? True and false. So, if the value is none, if the value is false, if it is 0, any type of 0, it is an integer or a float or a complex number, then empty sequence, parenthesis, square brackets, then empty mapping, all these truth values will be false. So other than this, all the other truth values will be true. So truth value will be false for all the empty sequence, none, false, 0, everything. All the remaining values, truth values will be true. You have to be very clear with this. Now operator precedence. So suppose if you are given an expression to evaluate, in which order the expression to be evaluated is the operator precedence. So operator precedence, the highest precedence is for parenthesis. So if in an expression you have something inside parenthesis, that has to be evaluated first, followed by exponentiation, followed by positive or negative number. Then multiplication, division, float division, remainder has the same precedence. So when in an expression you have all these operators, you have to evaluate from left to right. Then plus and minus, addition, subtraction. Then all the comparison operators and identity operators have the same precedence. So it has to be evaluated from left to right, not, and, or. So you have to evaluate first not, then and, then or. Please learn the operator precedence thoroughly. You will be getting at least 1 or 2 a 2-mark question to evaluate the expression with this operator precedence. So parenthesis, exponentiation, positive, negative, multiplication, division, float division, remainder, then addition, subtraction, then comparison operators, identity operators, not, and, or. So if you have same precedence operators in a single expression, it has to be evaluated from left to right. Suppose you have exponentiation, more than one exponentiation, then it has to be evaluated from right to left. In this case, first evaluate 2 double asterisk 3. So what is 2 double asterisk 3? 8. Then you have to evaluate 2 double asterisk 8, which is 256. So exponentiation, that is double asterisk, should be evaluated from right to left. All the other operators should be evaluated from left to right. Now let's evaluate on a program. You can see here, len of explore is equal to 49 by 7 or 50 by 10. So what is the len of explore? Length of the string explore is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So len of explore is 7. Next one, which has to be evaluated first? The division. You have the division. You can see here division has the highest precedence. So you have 2 divisions. It has to be evaluated from left to right. So first let's evaluate 49 divided by 7. It is 7, but slash operator will give decimal value. So 7.0. The output will be in float. Or the next one, 50 by 10. Again the output will be in float. So 7.0 or 5.0. Now you have to evaluate equal to, double equal to, or double equal to. Is 7 double equal to 7.0? Yes, both are equal even though it is integer and float. So it is true or 5.0. So what it will be evaluated? So in the OR operator, when the first operand evaluated as true, the output will be the first operand, which is true as the output. Okay. Next one, X, the same thing. First precedence will be given to parenthesis. The parenthesis has to be evaluated first from left to right. So 5 is not equal to 3, hence it is false. 3 is not equal to 4, hence it is false. Okay. So again it is inside parenthesis. False or false is false. Now you have this one. Now after this you have to evaluate equal to and not. Double equal to has the highest precedence. So both are not equal, hence it is false. Then false and not false. What is not false? Not has to be evaluated first. Then only and operator. Not false is true. False and true is false because and operator evaluates to true when both the operands are true. Here false and true, hence the output is false. Okay. Next question. 5 less than 7 or 50/10. So we have parenthesis. First inner parenthesis has to be evaluated. So what is 8 plus 10? 10. What is the next parenthesis? 10 minus 10, which is 0. So when you divide a number by 0, it is 0. Error, right? You are getting 0 division error. Now, don't mind that. What is 5 less than 7? Is 5 less than 7? Yes. So true or division by 0. So when in OR operator, when the first operand is true, the output will be the first operand. So this is the output. So even though you have the second operand as an error, it does not mind. It will take the first operand as the output. Hope you are clear with this. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you must have understood the concepts very clearly. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the comment button for further updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.